Today, I'd like to review for you the Beverly Hills Instant Facelift Anti-Aging Eye Serum Treatment for dark circles, puffy eyes, wrinkles, under eye bags, fine lines, and crow's feet. And it does work within 90 seconds. This has been a game changer, especially for my husband. He deals with a lot of puffiness under his eyes. And this product in 90 seconds will literally depuff his eyes just like that. It is amazing. But let me tell you where I've started using it, which has also been equally as amazing. I'm using this product in my nasal labial folds. When you put it into there before you put makeup on, it will smooth out this area just like it does the under eyes. And that's something that other people don't realize. So it's a little trick and a little hack for you, if you will. So I suggest if you have dark circles, if you have puffiness, if you're aging like most of us are, which I guess all of us are, be sure, put this Beverly Hills Instant Facelift Anti-Aging Eye Serum in your cart today. You'll be glad you did.